And one of the most important things that I always think, and is completely underrated in my opinion, is the peer support, so that people support each other and people feel supported and understood by other people, because it legitimizes the suffering. It is absolutely normal that people suffer with tinnitus, and some people suffer very deeply with that tinnitus, and we have these stories of people mentioning going to very dark places. But it is normal, and you're not the only person feeling that way. So I think what many of the other apps lack out there is a sense of connection and a sense of community, where people feel like they can talk and voice their concerns, but they also have someone like me who's been dealing with this for 15 years, who is fully habituated to very severe tinnitus, and who tells them that their suffering is absolutely legit. There's a path out of it. And together, if people connect and share what has most worked for them, and know that they're on their individual path, we can really transform that suffering and make people feel supported and know that they have a place to go, even if they're having a difficult time.